VanguardEdge Technology. Located in the Yangtze River Delta region of Jiangsu Pro, China, deeply engaged in the textile industry for more than 20 years, and serves the global market, covering an area of 10,000 square meters and an annual production capacity of 3,000 tons. Leveraging the Yangtze Delta's economic and talent strengths, it has formed a scientific and technological innovation and technical service system integrating R&D production sales service. Our company's main business is professional fancy yarn fabrics and textile chemical dye auxiliaries. With its leading full-chain service capabilities, it continues to promote industry innovation and green environmental protection, and is committed to becoming a trusted partner in the global textile field. We insist on taking customer needs as the core, adhering to the foundation of reputation, and providing efficient and reliable one-stop customized services.